Welcome to our step-by-step guide on creating and adding a signature in the new Outlook. Whether you're a professional looking to enhance your email communications or simply want to personalize your messages, adding a signature is a great way to leave a lasting impression. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the entire process, making it easy for you to customize your signature and make your emails stand out. First of all, go to Search and type Outlook and select Outlook New from the list. This will open New Outlook. Click on New Mail and then choose Mail from the drop-down. In the menu bar, click on Insert. Next, click on Signature. In the drop-down, select Signature. This will open Signature page where you can create a signature. Begin by assigning a name to the signature. Choose a relevant name to facilitate easy retrieval later on. In the email body, provide your name, position, company name, location, contact information, email address, phone, and website, and your social media details, as demonstrated here. Also, please attach best regards at the top for better engagement. You can also attach the logo if needed for following these steps. You can easily resize this image. Then, bold and change the font of the necessary text, as demonstrated here. Then click on Save button. Then close this form. Then click on Insert, then select Signature. Again, select Signature. Then under Default Signature, select the signature you have just created. Then click on Save button. Now, attempt to compose a new email, and you will notice that your attachment is already appended at the end of the email. Now, you can compose an email and send it so that the receiver will get the email with this signature attached. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.